Okay, so I'm going to explain this real quick. I'm literally in my bedroom and could not figure this out. Everybody's like, oh, just set your gearing to this. I'm like, you can't do it, dude. Like, if you go into your gearing right here, manual got boxed, right? All the settings are the right. So all these settings right here, right? Racing hard, 80, 90, all the other stock settings, etc., everything's right. Well, there's my 595 pp, and I'll explain how I did it because no one else on the internet has done it, and it's kind of aggravating because I'm like, they're like, just do this. And I'm like, it's not that simple. There's a process in which you have to be able to set the gearing in order to get those numbers correct. And there's no other way to do it. So let me go ahead and grab my controller here. All right, so let's go over here. I have this saved already. Sorry, I'm holding my phone and trying to do this at the same time. All right, so see the numbers, right? Okay, so this number right here, when you open it up, sorry. Okay. Alright, so this right here. Move this over just to about here. And then back out of that. And go down to the second one. And move it over a little bit. And just keep doing that back and forth. And you will see this final number get as high as that or higher the more you keep doing it. So you keep doing that back and forth between the two until you get to the, like, what you want to make sure that the number is definitely higher than your max number right here. So you want it to be like 10,000 something. Cool. That number is going to change when you do the same thing to these two. So do the same process with second and third. You're going to see this number go back down to 7 something, and you're going to be like, what the heck, dude? I just set it to whatever. Don't mind my daughter in the background. Don't worry about that. Do the same exact thing I just mentioned on the second and on the third. And you'll see the numbers go up each time. Set the numbers to what you need them to set to, and then go back to your first and set it to 9.6. Then set this to 9.186, then this to 8673, and then all these other numbers will have much higher values, and you can set them to the proper settings. So then you'll back out of this, click triangle to measure it, and it will still say 1300. Don't worry about that. Back out of this menu, like that, and then click on your settings again for your car settings. And when you go back, that'll say 595.05. If it does not work, let me know, but I promise you, I'm probably the only person on YouTube that's figured this shit out.